Welcome to all my dears. Today we are going to discuss about the clinical importance or necessity of early detection, early intervention, early diagnosis, early management and treatment of liver disease. Because most of the symptoms of liver disease do not develop until the disease has reached in advanced stage. As you know, our liver is the largest gland in our body, weighing near about 2% of the total body weight, and human liver constituted by near about 30,000 billions of hepatocytes, and liver perform more than 500 of biochemical functions on every day without mentioning or without knowing by we people. So the most of the work of liver functions are doing in a very silent way. Like that, most of the liver disease, especially the chronic liver disease, is considered as a silent killer also. As we mentioned earlier, even though our patient is having some set of symptoms, the symptoms are usually very negligible or subclinical or trivial, and even though there may be symptoms, the symptoms may mimicking with some other diseases. And when we came to know that our patient is having some liver problem, unfortunately at that phase itself the liver may get damaged in advanced stage. Automatically, usually the prognosis may not be in a favorable situation, or the prognosis may become usually a bad prognosis. So prevent such situation, to protect our patient and to extend the quality life of our patient, it is only our duty to detect the same as early as possible. That is why the preventive level of healthcare system plays great important role, especially in liver disease management. If you have any symptoms, your doctor will advise you to get some hematological tests. That means blood test. These tests are collectively known as liver function test. There are so many biochemical parameters which helps to detect the functional abnormality of our liver, and depending on the suspected status of our patient, doctors may give specific advice to do some specific test. Other than hematological study, in some situation, your doctor may advise to do some sonological examinations, say ultrasound study of abdomen, or in other cases, the doctors may advise to do the CT abdomen or MRI abdomen or even biopsy, etc. The goal or aim of testing of liver disease is to assess the degree or extent of liver injury, or to assess the severity of liver disease already happened, and to diagnose the real cause of the liver disease. At the same time, the doctors can monitor the functional status of your liver over time. From the next class onwards, we can study the LFT parameters in detail. Thank you.